Hi, I'm going to prepare dal tadka. Wash and soak 2 cups of tur dal and soak for 30 to 40 minutes. Ingredients are 2 pinches of hing, 3 to 4 dried red chilies, 1 teaspoon of jeera for initial stuff and 1 teaspoon of jeera for tadka, 1 teaspoon of salt for initial stuff and 1 teaspoon of salt while cooking dal, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder for initial stuff and 1 teaspoon while cooking dal, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1½ teaspoon of dhania powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, butter 5 grams for initial stuff and 5 grams for tadka, 1 chopped onion, 3 chopped tomatoes, 1 cup of coriander leaves, boil soaked tur dal in pressure cooker. For 2 cups of tur dal, add 3 cups of water. Add ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir well. Cook for 3 whistles and keep it aside. Now preparation. Initial stuff. Take a bowl, add 1 spoon of oil and 5 grams of butter. Add hing and stir. Add jeera and stir. Add dried red chilies and stir. Add ginger garlic paste and fry until ginger garlic paste is fried. Now add chopped onions. Stir them well and fry to golden brown. Now add ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder and stir. Add dhania powder and stir. Now add chopped tomatoes and cook for 10 minutes. While stirring, now add 1 teaspoon of salt and stir well. Check whether dal is cooked well. Stir this mixture and add little water and cook for 5 minutes. At this stage, add coriander leaves and mix well. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder and mix well. Now add the boiled turd dal and mix it well. Add coriander leaves, mix it and cook for 5 minutes. And turn off the flame. Now take a kadai, add 1 spoon of oil and 5 grams of butter and heat it. Now add 1 teaspoon of jeera and stir it well. While frying, for 1 minute, and turn off the flame. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and fry it while stirring. Add this to dal and mix it well. And cook it for 2 minutes. Garnish with coriander leaves. Now enjoy dal tadka with jeera rice or plain rice. Thanks for watching.